Hello, my class. Today we are going to continue doing some art with shapes. As you can see, this is an overlapping shape art. Basically, we're going to choose some shapes to draw, and we're going to overlap them, and then everywhere that they overlap, we will color in the spaces. So basically what I want you to do is I want you to draw 4 squares, and 4 circles and 4 triangles, but draw them in different sizes and try to make them overlap. Okay, so I'm going to start um, I'm using a marker. If you have a marker, you can use a marker for this. But I always think that it's a good idea to use pencil because then you can erase it if you don't want it there anymore. But you can use whatever you want to draw this. You just need a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. And I'm going to start by drawing 4 circles, okay? And I'm going to make them different sizes. I'm going to want a big one somewhere. Just draw it the best you can, and if it's not a perfect circle, that's okay. It'll probably even make your art look more interesting and unique, right? I'm going to draw kind of a medium one over here. Maybe I want that one that overlaps this one. And I'll draw another one over here. Next, I'm going to draw 4 squares, some small, some big. I'm going to try to make them overlap, okay? So I'm going to draw a square right here. You could even make the square go kind of sideways if you want. So I'm going to draw a square that goes right here. Ooh, and that overlaps over a couple of them. I'm going to draw another square over here. I'm going to draw it kind of sideways. And I'm going to draw a little square over here in the corner. So yeah, just decide whatever you want. Have some fun with it. Experiment with it. I'm going to draw 4 triangles now. I really want something to overlap these 2 guys. So I'm going to draw a triangle that goes through both of them. Okay, and I need to connect this square, so I'll draw a triangle that overlaps into both of these. And then the rest of these are connected, so I'm going to try to fill in the spaces that don't have a shape. So this corner is kind of missing something. I'm going to put a triangle over there, and I want something in this space, maybe something that connects these. So I'll put a triangle right there. All right, there we go. I've connected them, I filled in my spaces. They all have overlaps. Now what we're going to do is choose whatever colors you want, however many colors you want. I chose pinks and purples because I thought that would be fun. And basically just everywhere where a shape overlaps another shape, I'm going to color that in. So I'm kind of starting with just like coloring 2 of them with each color because I have so many colors that I want to use that I want to make sure that I can use them all. So anytime that it overlaps, that's where I'll color. You can take more time on this than I'm taking. I'm going quick because I don't want this video to be super long. But I'm going to color that all in. Now, once I've colored in each space where the shapes overlap, I do want to color in the background so that my shapes pop a bit more. But I don't want to color it super dark. I don't want to waste up all my crayons or take that much time. So here's how you can fill in the space in the background without taking too much time and without wasting down your crayon. here's what I do. I very softly just draw lines that go across. See how, let me zoom in a bit. See how I'm not trying to fill in all the space? I'm just drawing very light lines to go across the background. It makes it seem like it's full of color. It tricks the eye into thinking that I've completely colored it in, but I'm really just using lines to put some color on the page. And I'm just going really lightly. If I were to push down hard on the crayon, it would not only waste a lot of the crayon, but it would take a long time. And I don't want it to take a long time. I'm just trying to fill in my space. Now, when I colored these ones in, I pushed down harder and I took more time putting them in. But right now, I'm just doing really light lines. And now, I have just a bit of color in the background. And I have a fun shape picture. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. I hope that you have a lot of fun with shapes. Have a great day.